we will display the value help with one of our field in the application. It's not getting logged in. I just checked. Some error is coming, so maybe we have to reassign this project. For this, we need a URL from our sub account. This we need a key basically to get the URL from our ABAP environment. Just a subscription. This is the key. JSON. Cloud project. The key. So the URL. Still some error.
So just
Maybe this is trial account at the moment not working probably. Okay, and what we can do? Okay, we can discuss some for example, that we used objects, annotations, things that we use in the application. We can discuss this in the concept-wise, theoretical-wise. For example, let's open any application from some tutorial. For example, this is for value help I opened. Let's describe this. Trial account is not working, so practical maybe not possible at the moment. This was our target actually from here, and it will very simple. It will not because we will discuss in the tutorial. That tutorial I will share with you. Then I will request you to please complete it after the session when you get the time in your trial account, and because it will not difficult. Here in this tutorial, we want to display a search help of storage location and plant, because we have two fields. We have storage location and we have plant that we have in the application. Then we need to display the search help on that. For example, here the search help is a little bit complex because we want to display the search help with, you can say, for example, if we select the plant, then we want the storage location, only those storage locations will be reflected in the help of that belongs to that particular plant. So that is some complex. So we will ignore the search help on storage location. We will discuss the search help on plant at the moment. This we have a table, for example. These are the entries in the table. This is the CDS. This is the CDS. This is another table which have the description and name of the plant. This is the some data in the table. In here, this we create another table for storage locations that we can ignore it at the moment. Then we have CDS of plant table with the name. This is the name of that CDS. Then similarly, soil irrigation CDS we have. And this is our table, stock table, for example. Here we can see that this is the association. Association means join. Okay. Here, this is the syntax, how we can join the another view or table with our view. Okay, this is our main view. And association, this is the cardinality, means 0 to static, for example. Okay. Then to the other view table. Here can be the table as well, direct transparent table we can use. Better to use the view. Then this is the alias of the plant. On this is the join condition, that on dollar projection mean the field derived from the current view. This view, dollar projection. Then the works, and then the other table, the alias of the other the joining table dot works. Here using this we can join the table, and this association we have to be reflected in our in the detail of the view with as a field. Okay, this is a mandatory. If we forgot to mention this, this will be in the error. So we will use this. Similarly, there is another association and another association described here. Okay, so we will see only plant at the moment. This association when we're done, then this is projection view. We know that this is the metadata extension file. Okay. Only in the highlighted field, we can see that we have line item, we have identification. Okay, line item means the fields in the table, identification means the fields on the object page. At the rate consumption, this is the annotation to display the search help. At the rate consumption that value of definition, then we will provide the this value derived from which entity. Entity means the view. Okay, so entity and entity name, that view name, okay, that we joined, and the element means the field that we will reflect. That's all. When we use this, all the fields from this view will be reflected as a value help. Okay, this we are ignoring at the moment. We will see later. Or if you want, you can explore. When we complete this, at the end, we can see such a like that. For example, this is the plant. This is, they are displaying as a drop down. Here, this is they are showing that storage location subject, that they are belong only storage location that are from this plant are displaying. Okay, so search help will be displayed like that. Okay, when you click here, a pop-up like this will be displayed, and for the value for the drop down, I will check they use use some one more property in the search app only. And then it converted to the drop down that we will see. Okay, that was our target to do as a practical, but somehow I don't know, this is not connected today. Not still not connecting. Okay. What other thing we can discuss? The things that we will discuss are managed versus unmanaged scenarios. We will discuss in upcoming sessions. Right now, we are doing the practical application using the managed application. After that, we will move to the unmanaged. Okay, managed, then managed with modified save. This is another scenario. And then we have actions that we will discuss, inshallah. Then what others? Custom entity we will discuss. Okay. Custom entity mean, for example, if you want, for example, let's assume you have you want to create a purchase order or sales order or any transaction, standard transaction, but from the custom screen. Then we, in that case, Z table is not required. No? Right now, our first object is Z table. Then after the Z table, we have a view. Then we have so we create the application. In that case, what we will do, in that scenarios we use the custom entities usually. Okay, and we create the custom entity that we will discuss, inshallah.